nails, having you stay frugal with nail art. And in this video, I'm going to be taking this glitter and making a snowman texture, a snow texture, on my nails. What does that mean? I guess I'm going to just have to show you. Let's go! First of all, I've painted all of my nails white and they're completely dry. Now, second step, I'm going to take some of this star glue and I'm going to paint it onto my middle finger. And this star glue is just perfect for foil, so I wanted to test it out with glitter. And I'm also going to do my pinky too. I got to paint that on my pinky. And now, I'm going to get a little pan just to kind of pick up the glitter because the glitter gets everywhere. And I'm going to tap that onto the dried glue. When this star glue dries, it's sticky. So it's kind of like the sticky layer. And then I'm going to take a flat paintbrush and I'm just going to kind of buffer that glitter in. This glitter is not very fine. It's very thick. It's not like super thick, but it's, it's kind of thick. I purchased this glitter at Hobby Lobby. It is crafting glitter. It's not nail glitter, but it is very nice. And I think it's perfect for the snow. Doesn't it look like snow? Well, right now I'm putting water-based top coat on it to bring out the snow, to make it shine as much as possible. And then when that is completely dry, I'm going to take some more of that star glue, and I'm just going to kind of make a V at the end of my nail on my pinky too. And then it's time to cut foil. I cut a piece of this red foil, and of course we need some green foil. So I'm going to look through my foil. There's so many beautiful different kinds of foil in this pack, but I'm looking for green. And I think this green right here matches the red foil that I have, so I'm going to just cut a piece of that. See, I have two pieces of red and green foil. Festive, right? I mean, come on. And now that the star glue is dry, completely dry, you got to wait for like 5 minutes. And I'm going to put one side green and one side red. It's kind of like his scarf. I'm kind of trying to channel, like, this is like his red and green scarf, the snowman. And now I'm going to put coal for eyes, of course. So I'm going to use some black acrylic paint and a dotting tool. And then I'm going to take my paintbrush and some orange acrylic paint, and I'm going to write his carrot nose. And then I'm going to just write his, like, mouth, his smile, of course. And then I'm going to do the exact same thing to my pinky finger. I think these snowmen turned out really cute. Sometimes I make kind of like funny faces, on the snowman. I kind of mess up their nose. But I like the look of these. Now I'm taking some water-based top coat and putting it on that foil because we don't want to tint the foil. And now I'm putting on, after that water base is completely dry, I'm putting on a quick dry top coat just so it can dry faster. And I'm also going to do the exact same thing to my pinky. Okay, now for my index finger. I'm going to take some green acrylic paint and my paintbrush, and I'm going to draw just some greenery. I saw this picture on Google Chrome because I Googled, Christmas themed pictures to get some inspiration. And I saw this picture. It's kind of like some green leaves and some red, berries and some gold on it. What are those? Are they like red berries? I'm not sure. Put it down in the comment section down below what you think about it. I'm not sure what they are, but I think this nail turned out really pretty. I added some gold glitter nail polish to it, and I think it turned out so beautifully. It's so pretty. Now we're gonna put a quick dry top coat on that, seal this design in. And there we have it. These second week of Christmas designs is done. Last week I did a Christmas design. You can hit the I button if you want to see that one. But guys, tell me what you think about these snowmen. Are they cute? Are they not? I think they're cute. And I think I did a pretty good job drawing their faces. I did a snowman design last year too. I just always have to do snowman every Christmas because I love them. They're so cute. I hope you... Did you guys like that nail design? Tell me down in the comment section down below. Question of the day. Do you like tangerines? This white glitter sure gave a perfect texture for snow, I think. And it was really fun to use. If you took a peel off base coat and peels off, you could do the whole design and just peel your snowman right off. I don't know what you would do with it, but you could peel it off. That's a thought. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching my Christmas nail video. I always appreciate it. I'll see you next time. Bye! Click or tap the screen to subscribe, or click or tap the screen to watch another one of my videos. Trust me, it will be fun.